Thursday, Cooking with Kevin, and this week we are making zucchini bread, actually in the muffin form. So we are preheating our oven right now to 425 because we're going to cook the muffins for 5 minutes at 425. We're going to leave them in the oven and we're going to turn the temperature down to 350 and bake for another 13 to 16 minutes. Your ingredients: 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, optional 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolates. I've been told it is not optional, so we are adding them in. A half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of packed light or dark brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of shredded zucchini. And after I went all through that and said the egg has to be at room temperature, guess what I forgot to take out of the fridge? The egg. And I don't have large eggs, so I know this is may make the muffins a little stiff, but gotta do what I gotta do. And yes, so first thing we're gonna do, I gotta take these off. We're gonna whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, chocolate chips all together in a large bowl, and then we're gonna set that all aside. So we're gonna start with the flour. I apologize, I don't have my overhead this week because a piece broke. So unfortunately I couldn't set the camera up. Okay, so that's the flour. Now the baking powder, which is a half a teaspoon. Half teaspoon of baking soda. A half teaspoon of salt. And what else? We're going to do our 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Chocolate chips. As soon as I can get this bag closed. I'll close it after. All right. that aside. Now we're going to mix the oil, the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, egg, and vanilla. Oh, I didn't get my vanilla. All right, we need half a cup of oil. Half a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of white sugar. And our eggs. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now the vanilla extract we got is some that we bought from the Elroy Mexican store in Winkler, and it is pure vanilla extract from Mexico. Okay. And our 1 cup of zucchini. Once we have that mixed, we're going to pour the dry ingredients in here and whisk it gently. So, just going to put a little bit. Rest in. It does get a little stiff. And it does say that just combine it. They don't want you to over mix, and like you said, it will thicken up. And it has thickened up, that's for sure. Okay. All right. Now, We are doing these in muffin tins. I pre-line mine with the cup, with the the muffin papers. You don't have to. You can spray your pan and put them directly in. And all we're going to do now is we're going to fill one of these each up. Right to the top, it says. Which is approximately one of these scoops. I don't think it's going to make quite 12 muffins, but that's okay. Oh. Because it did say to fill them level to the top, and that's what I've done. So not quite 12. Alrighty. Okay. Don't need these. Alright. So as I said, these are going to go in for 5 minutes at 425, and then we're going to turn it down to 350 and bake for a further 13 to 16 minutes. So when they're ready, I'll bring you back for the taste test. All right, there they are. Yummy, yummy, yummy zucchini muffins. Okay, they've cooled down somewhat. We are going to taste test. Of course, I got like one hand here. You're gonna see me struggle. Oh, 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 look at that, they come off. Oh, nice and easy. Oh. Okay. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, those are tasty. Very delicious. Very yummy. Anyways, I will have the recipe down in the descriptions below. And that's it for this week. Zucchini muffins, like I always end off every week. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm sure Kelly will let me know. See you next week.